lot of investors ask me this question: what to do when I get a lao sai stock? So let me tell you the meaning first, in case you're not sure. Just go to ChatGPT, type in what is a lao sai stock. ChatGPT will tell you a lao sai stock is a slang term used in Singapore to describe a stock that is in a prolonged downtrend or keep dropping until sell. The term is derived from Hokkien language where lao sai means diarrhea. In today's modern world, AI can explain any of your questions in perfect Ang Moh language. So what to do when you get a lao sai stock? 3 steps. Number 1, find the reason why your stock lao sai. Ask yourself, this lao sai got cured or not? If got cured, can buy one more time. Example, Tesla last year lao sai until sell because of China lockdown. So what happened when lockdown bo liao? The stock chong from 100 to 200 in 1 month. 100% return in 1 month, better than your bank interest. Tio bo. Number 2, double confirm this lao sai really end liao. You must learn to look at chart. Can you see from this chart? This red line cross the blue line here. It means Tesla lao sai end liao. In professional charting, this is called crossover. It means stock about to go up. Number 3, if you die cannot find any cure for this lao sai, then change your stock lor. Don't hug your lao sai stock like you hug girlfriend, boyfriend. For what? A stock also not your wife can change one. Sell your lao sai stock and find another stock that don't lao sai. Let me tell you, many stocks are in the last 3 months already double. Don't miss the bull market. Register for our free stock class. I teach you how to make money, pay for the increase in price of your cai peng. So don't complain, just register.